Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this new video. Basically, this video will be divided into which video? This video will be divided into parts. That means this is review section. I don't want to, I don't want to like quickly skim through it. I want to cover it. So whatever. So the 4 minutes thing. How much? Yeah, 6. Okay, review. This is the entire prop sections review. Anyway, let's see it. Okay, that completes our lesson on props. Here are some of the skills that you have learned. I have learned. I don't even know. It was like too foreign for me. Passing a prop by giving attribute to a component instance. So you know what? Just read it once, and in this video we'll at least cover till here, or maybe till two. We'll see two examples. Anyway, passing a prop by giving an attribute to the component's instance. Yeah, I can somewhat see. Like for example, I wanted to pass in a prop name text. So what I did in, like for example, button was the instance. I added in curly braces. I guess I remember, as far as I remember, props dot text is equals to um, mindfuckery, something like that. So I added a pass in a props name text, accessing the pass in prop. Why similarly, like props dot prop name. That's crazy. Displaying a prop. Okay, how do I display the prop? I don't remember. Using a prop to make decisions about the display. Oh, yeah. I did that. I mean, we added s to the end of the string if it was um, if it had more than one prop or something like that. It had, if it had children prop or something. So defining event handler in a functional, I know how to define an event handler in a functional component. I know, like, write the button, or like the button, or write the variable on which you want to see for want to look for an event handler. Then write the event handler keyword, and then write for, like, if you want to see for one click, so like in quotes like click, or if you want to see for double click, like db click in all lowercase, and comma, and then passing your function at what your event handler functions should do. Anyway, I'll go there. Receiving a prop handler and attaching it to an event listener. Okay, prop handler as a prop. Wow, this is crazy. I mean, like, as far as I remember, they both are similarly passed. Naming event handlers and event handler to be according to conventions. What was the convention? Okay, there was some weird convention. Anyway, accessing props.children, accessing default values. Don't worry if a lot of is blur. It's actually a lot of is blur. You'll soon have a plenty of practice. Okay, instruction. For further practice, consider the following challenge. Create a simple online grocery store. I will do it in the next parts. We'll divide this revision section, which I used to skip very quickly, into like 3 or 4 videos, so that we have a good grip of at least what we have learned. Everything seems a lot blurred, even not even blurred. It's like blank. Okay, so create a simple online grocery store with a reusable React function component. Your store should provide users with at least 4 buttons for possible items you can purchase. Every item a user clicks on the button, it should alert that they are trying to click has been added to the Wirecard message. So click on the folder icon of app.js and create a grocery item JSON file. I mean, like, we can create it if you want. Create a folder, create a file. I'll create a name, copy this and paste it and press enter. So we have grocery item been added. Define grocery item functional component. How do we do that? How do we create other things? Okay, I don't know. Function app. So let's copy this, and like in grocery item we'll paste it right from React. And here, instead of app, we have a grocery item functional component, and grocery item we need to even export it out. The component should accept the component should accept a prop and return a button that displays a grocery item. So in order to make it accept a prop, accept props. So let's simply write props, or simply prop. Okay, let's write props only, or who cares? And return a display button that the grocery item name that contains an event handler for the click event. There's a lot of things going on. I don't think I can. Let me just chat GPT this part. Oh, karne ka hai chikni. I mean, like, let me just predict it. So there will be a return keyword. There will be a JSX component, and so since I think it's gonna be added in the button keyword. So there will be a button keyword, and inside it, we are just passing an event handler, and we have to create an event handler here somewhere. That's what my brain is saying. Okay, let me just see. Pahin ka chale bikni ho. As I told you, there should be an on-click event. Okay, without restructuring. I don't like restructured ones. JavaScript. This is another JavaScript example. Anyway, let's just pass in this entire thing. Anyway, let's read continuously. Keep reading. Okay, so the component should be used in render for grocery item passing in appropriate functions. And in app.js, return the instance for grocery component with such name as eggs, banana, strawberries, bread. The item should add share you up. So this is painful. I don't know how to do it. Okay, let's just add this here. So create the folder, did create, done. So yeah, I'm taking a lot of help. The time is up. Hey Siri, 3 minutes timer. Anyway, so we have passed in this prop as item and on click and on click on click and this is an item. So grocery app.js. I don't know what is this going on, man. In app.js, so we have created an h1 and it has. It's not even hard. I don't know. It looks like easy. Anyway, so it looks doable. So for now, instead of adding props in here, you have to destructure it and put this in here. Item name, comma on click. What are you gonna pass in here? Item name, item name, anyway, item name, comma on click, on click, like that. Yes. Separated by comma, functional grocery item, and as I told you, there will be a return keyword with a button inside it, and then I thought, as I told you, there will be the props, but here in the props is destructured for a reason. So I just try copying it and pasting it and try to understand what's going on here. So we have a return keyword and it will basically return this JSX part as I told you, and inside this we have a button keyword, a button tag and button basically, and it has an on click event added to it. This on click event will get invoked when some on click will happen, and it has some item passed inside it. This still so far it's easy. Step 2 is update the app.js with this crap. So first of all, we need to import the grocery app.js. What is this, bro? What is this, da? Okay, you have to import this grocery item from grocery item. How do we do that? Let me just show you. Like above only, like import, and then you just have to write in grocery item this name, gross item. Import grocery item from. I guess we have to do like this. I guess I forgot here. Um, Grocery item like that. Let's just make sure. Is it correct? Um, Almost correct. Oh, exactly same. Import, Control F find, import, grocery item, Control F find. You know what we'll do? You'll just answer. So they're exactly same. Oh, intelligent. So remove one doesn't care. So pahin ka chala pikni hai. Anyway, 1,000 years later, not this one by ChatGPT. So so far it is easy to understand, and we're gonna pass in few weird stuffs in it. Thoda sa, like 2 more minutes, give me time. We have app component right here. Let me close this. We have app component here, right? And so basically, we will pass in a hand. We will pass in a, what is this? In the app function only, they have passed in a handle click. So do we need to create a handle click function? Handle click किधर लिखा हुआ है? Handle click उसने खुद से ऐड किया है क्या? Anyway, so we will also pass in a function named handle click. Okay, so handle click will take parameter as name item and alert like item added to the cart like that. Okay, well, why don't we write it? Let's just copy it. Const handle click, handle handle click, and this will be an anonymous function with an item. Item means item bomb. Item name, item name, right? As far as I remember, item name passed in like this, and herein it will invoke something. And what it would invoke, I forgot. It will be an alert, basically. ALRT. How do I write alert, by the way? ALERT, alert. ALERT, and this ALE alert. We have used backticks, I suppose. And what are the other things they have passed in? Item added to cart. Anyway, easy. So you have used template literals, and again pass in this very item. Item added to. Whoa, I'm writing it outside the template literals. Added to cart, like that, right? Let me make sure both of them are same. If they are different, we'll figure out why. Okay, handle click same, item same. I like this guy's formatted better. So we'll just at least take this part. It looks more better. Okay, we have parsed in that as well. Okay, what is the next thing we're gonna do? We have to return something as well from the app component, right? So basically return a div having h1 grocery list and in the Indra in the grocery item um, handle click function and just pass in eggs. Okay, so this is easy. So you have to use a return keyword and then use this and then type in a div. Okay, this looks easy. Yeah, looks easy to me. And inside this div you have to pass in an h1 tag, right? Oh, 3 more minutes. H1 tag like this. I gotta go to college as well. I will. H1 tag, and inside the H1 tag, these are the different weird ass things. Let's just add one first. After the H1 tag, not inside the H1 tag. Okay, so we have parsed in this weird thing. Hmm. So grocery item eggs on click. Mm-hmm. What is this going on, man? And we'll add more and more. Am I more? Am I more? No, 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 not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Down, down. बहिन के चाल बिकनी हो. कितना आइटम्स है भाई? स्ट्रॉबेरीज ग्रोसरीज में एग्स आ रहे हैं. एग्स डाल दिया. बनाना. बनाना यहाँ ऐड करो. बनाना यहाँ ऐड करो. स्ट्रॉबेरी. स्ट्रॉबेरी यहाँ ऐड करो. स्ट्रॉबेरी यहाँ ऐड करो. ब्रेड. ब्रेड यहाँ ऐड करो. यहाँ पे भी ब्रेड ऐड करो. ओके. रन. तो लोड ही नहीं हो. ओके. फिक्स इट. and at the same time I've done this. Fix it. Corrected version of the code. Spacing around. Chudya bhai. Anyway, so let's fix this one. Fix it. I have to leave. What are the fixes? Um, let's just try putting this one here. Trying running. We don't see any output. Why? Let's see the solution. There's no solution for this. Run it, man. Let's open index.js. क्या कर रहा है भाई? Just not there. I don't even see a HTML. HTML should look like this. Not working. Grocery item ही है ना? अबे ये load ही नहीं हो रहा भाई. Anyway, it's not working, so we'll figure it out later some other day. I think it should work. I tried everything. Anyway, this concept of mine is not even clear. I'll have to spend time and we'll somehow debug why it's not working. We'll start with like first two, three, just like in the first video, and then again three in the next video, and last three in the next video. That's all for the video. I'll catch you up later. Then take care. Be safe. Keep developing, guys. Keep developing.